Investing in iShares UK can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to the UK market. To get started, you will need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker that offers iShares UK products. Some popular options include Hargreaves Lansdowne, Interactive Investor, and AJ Bell. Once you have opened your account, you will need to fund it with money to invest. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or by using a debit card. It is essential to research and understand the different types of iShares UK products available, such as the iShares UK 100 Index Fund or the iShares UK Dividend Fund. Each product has its own investment objective, risk profile, and fees, so it is crucial to choose the one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can find information about each product on the iShares website or by consulting with a financial advisor. When you are ready to invest, you can place an order through your online broker's platform. You can choose to invest a lump sum or set up a regular investment plan to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is also essential to consider the costs associated with investing in iShares UK, including the ongoing charges figure and any trading costs. To minimize costs, you can consider investing in a tax-efficient way, such as through an individual savings account or a self-invested personal pension. It is also essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. By following these steps and doing your research, you can invest in iShares UK with confidence and potentially achieve your long-term investment goals. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals and risk tolerance, and consider seeking professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the investment process.